In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the release of Elon Musk's Grok 4. Released on July 9th, 2025, this new development from Musk has created quite a buzz for its advanced capabilities and innovative features. Grok 4 is touted to perform at a postgraduate level across all subjects, surpassing most graduate students in both knowledge and reasoning. This marks a significant step forward in the field of artificial intelligence as it aims to not only challenge but potentially exceed human intellect in many areas. Let's dive into some of the cutting-edge features that Grok 4 brings to the table. One of the standout introductions is the Heavy version, a multi-agent configuration specifically designed to address more complex, layered problems. This expands the potential use cases for Grok 4, making it a versatile tool for a range of challenging tasks. During its initial demonstrations, Grok 4 showcased its prowess in advanced mathematics, image generation, such as simulating the collisions of black holes and predictive tasks. These capabilities highlight Grok 4's potential to not only assist but also lead in fields requiring high-level computations and creative problem solving. For those interested in adopting Grok 4, there are two different subscription models available. The standard tier is accessible at a cost of $30 per month, while the Heavy tier, which offers the enhanced multi-agent features, is priced at $300 per month. These options provide flexibility depending on user needs and the complexity of the tasks at hand. Looking ahead, Elon Musk has exciting plans for integrating Grok 4 into existing technological ecosystems. One of the most anticipated of these is its potential incorporation into Tesla vehicles, as well as other projects under the XAI initiative. This integration could revolutionize how artificial intelligence interacts with everyday technology. In terms of benchmarks, Grok 4 has been tested on systems like Humanity's Last Exam, scoring around 25.4% without the aid of additional tools. However, its scores significantly improve when equipped with computational resources, reflecting the true depth of its capabilities when fully utilized. Despite these achievements, Grok 4's rollout hasn't been without challenges. Within days of its release, security researchers reported successful attempts to bypass its safety filters through what are known as jailbreaks. These incidents underline the ongoing concerns regarding security and the need for robust defenses against potential vulnerabilities. In summary, Elon Musk's Grok 4 represents a remarkable advancement in artificial intelligence, promising a future where AI can perform at an unparalleled level. Whether it's contributing to scientific breakthroughs or enhancing consumer technology, Grok 4 sets a new standard for what artificial intelligence can achieve. As we continue to explore its capabilities and address any emerging challenges, this release undoubtedly marks a significant milestone in the evolving landscape of AI technology.